How do you think seniors are viewed in American culture generally?
Well, that's a good question. It's big business. I know that. But if you can't contribute, then you're left behind. Let me expound on that. In our society, I don't care what you did for me yesterday. It's what are you going to do for me tomorrow? That's what I want to know. And seniors are past that point. They're sort of shuffled off to the left and said, hey, you know, you've had your day in the sun, now it's our turn, and thanks, bye.